Hi and welcome to my channel today. I'm Trevor from trevormcafee.com, and today I want to show you an in-demand gig that you can add to your Fiverr or Freelancer portfolio that you can deliver easily and quickly. So let's go check it out. Here's an in-demand service that you can add to your Fiverr profile that you can easily deliver to your clients. Creating motivational and inspirational quotes for your clients' social media platforms is easy to do, it's free to get started, and you can make some good money at this. So if we just do a quick search for inspirational quotes in Fiverr, you can see that there's 546 services available. And you can see all the different suggested quotes and keywords that you can use to rank your gig. So if we just do a quick search in Fiverr for inspirational quotes, you can see that some of the suggested keywords are motivational quotes, Instagram quotes, graphic quotes. So there's lots of different services that you can add as keywords here to help rank your gigs above everyone else. So if we take a quick look at some of these services, you can see here, I will create 100 inspirational image quotes for Instagram. They've had 31 sales. They're selling it for 14 Canadian, so that's $10 US dollars. I'll create 300 inspiring Christian quotes and scriptures for $5. If we look at some of the best-selling gigs, you can see here, I'll design 2,000 inspirational quotes, 500 sales. This one here is I will create 99 inspirational image quotes with your logo for 24 hours. And they've had over 1,000 sales. And they do it for $5. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, where you can get all your images and quotes for free and how to add the logo for free. So if we look at this gig here, you're going to see they just add a logo or URL in the bottom of the quote, okay? They're unique designs. You can see they've got different quotes here or different packages here. And I'm going to show you how easy this is to put together. So the first thing that we want to do is we need to get quotes and images to be able to put some packages together. And I'm going to give you 4 methods today that are going to show you how to do that. So the first one we want to go over to is we want to go over to Google. We're going to search for quotes. And then what we want to do is we want to search images. Once we're under images, we want to click on the Tools tab here. And we want to click on Usage Rights. We want to look for quotes here that are labeled for reuse. So basically what this means is we can take any of these quotes and we can use them as our own and deliver them to our clients. So you can go through here and start making collections, okay? So you can look at, there's like a Buddhist here, you can start making collections that way. You can start having, black and white collections, certain quotes that you like. You can look for, you can look for Christian quotes. You can look for inspirational quotes. So this is the first place that you're going to go to and download a bunch of quotes and inspirational stuff and motivational stuff and start collecting a package here. Now, the second way that we can start creating quotes is by using Canva. Just go into the search here and type quotes, and you can see all the quotes that you can use for free. So again, you can start downloading these. You can change the text. You can change the background, all within Canva. You can start making collections. And again, same thing as what you would do with Google is we're going to start packaging them all together for our clients. And all these ones in here that you see are all free to download, and you are able to deliver these to your clients. The third tool that you can use is something called Instant Social Quotes. So this is a software that you have to purchase, but it is a really cool software and can create packages of quotes very, very quickly. So here you can add your own quotes. So if you had a library of quotes, you could upload those and add these into the already system created quotes. You can change how the text looks, how it's, if it's landscape or square for Instagram. There's a few different fonts that you can select in here. Let's just say this one here. You can add, use the system graphics, but you can also add your own graphics here. You can upload your own graphics. You can include branding. So if I go in here and I put branding, I just put my website in here, but I could add, my client's email or my client's website or some other text that I wanted to. But if I just leave it all the same right now, I could, I'll put branding on right now, and I can make up to 50 quotes in a package. So if I just do that, and click on instant social quotes, it's going to do it all. It's going to package it all together, and it's going to download right away, and I can go in and check all those images. So that's it. It's done. I just click to download, I save it, and it's done. So if I go and click and open these, so now that I've clicked and opened these, you can kind of take a look here. I'll just show you some of these quotes. So as I open this one up here, you can see that it's already branded on here. So it's a really, really cool tool. If you start getting into this and make a little bit more money, you can invest in this tool that makes it really, really quick. So as you download and create your packages, from Google and Canva, you can upload them into this software where you can easily brand the customer's or a client's website, text, or whatever it is. It won't do an image for you, which I'm going to show you a way to put a watermark and a image on the quote. But for this one, it will put their website or whatever other text they have. Now, the fourth method I have for you is to search Google for quotes PLR. Now, what PLR is, if you don't know, is private label rights content, which means that you can purchase the rights to these images and quotes. You can sell them as your own or use them for client work. Now, there's lots of links on here. You'd have to go through and search for what you're looking for. Now, one of the best ones that I found is called Viral Quotes Kit. So as you can see here, they've got over 200 viral quotes. The images look really, really nice. There's lots of good quotes in here. They can see here that there are all kinds of niches in this package. So accounting, real estate, electronics, web businesses, beauty, e-commerce, social media. So there's really a wide variety of quotes and images in here that you can use and really create some good stuff for your clients. I think this package is about $13, and it will get you off to a great start. So there you go, private label rights, $12.95, and you can go and grab that and start right away. So it's a really good deal, but obviously there's other ways to do it free. Depends on how fast you want to do this, but there's 4 really good resources to get you started. Now, the last thing I want to show you is how do you add your client logo or wording to some of these images that you couldn't do in the instant social quote software. How do you add that stuff? So there's a website called Batch Watermark. So all you do is you add your images in here, add either the image, the logo, or the text, and then it just downloads for you. So let's show you how it is. So we're going to choose a couple images here. I'm just going to go to the social quotes here, the ones I used. And I'll take all the 50 that I put in there. I'm just going to open them up. And then I'm just going to put some text on it. So I'm just going to say, this is test text. And I can pick whatever I want here. Change the color to red so you can see where it's red right there. And then what we do is we can pick the position. So we can have in the top corner. We can move it around the bottom. You can tile it so it's all over. You can rotate it. You can change the size of it. You can have the opacity, whatever you want. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're just going to hit start. And it's going to batch process all those. And then it's going to download it for me. So we're going to download it. And then we'll open them up and see what they look like. So here we go. So we got the batch watermark. We're going to open one up here. So as you can see, this is a really easy gig to fulfill for your clients. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new and that you can use in your business. Now, if you like the content on my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe here. Now, if you're still struggling to figure out which online business model is right for you, head over to trevormcafee.com/quiz and take this online quiz, and it will tell you what is best suited for you. So you guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.